So, hello guys, nakauwi na ako. So, kanina pa actually. So, ano ba yun, anak? Nag-vlog ako eh. O, ano, halika na rito, bilis na. Wait lang guys, akuhain ko lang to si Bebe. Ayan. Ay, wait lang anak. Tapos, ayan, so nakauwi na ako, medyo nakapagpahinga na rin. And si Mrs. kakain na kasi nakapagluto na siya ng ulam niya.
Hi!
So, ayan, si Mrs. Ang ulam niya ay tokwa lang naman. So, yung binibili namin tokwa, yung fresh. Sarap kasi nun. So, hindi na siya nakapamalengke kasi may inaantay daw siyang imi-meet up. Kaso lang, hindi yata nag-message sa kanya. So, hindi na siya lumabas. Baka daw mamaya. Pag nasa palengke na siya, biglang mag-chat sa kanya. Eh, ang problema, hindi nag-chat. So, hindi siya nakalabas. Hindi naman siguro, baka na-busy lang. Tapos, naman si Kuya Agape, oh. Baka na-busy lang naman, mahal. Ay, nagagalit yung baby.
Nagagalit?
Oo, nagagalit. Oo. Oy, ikaw, Kuya Agape, huwag ka na magkukulit. Sabi, di ba, ni Doc? Nagkausap na kayo, di ba? Oh, huwag ka na magkukulit. Baka mamaya, puntahan ka ni Doc. Kilala ka pala ni Doc, eh.
Uy, nagalit.
Ito naman si Bebe. Ano? Iyak naman ang iyak yan. Gusto niya kasi nakatayo ako. So, yan sila, Mrs. Kakain na yan sila. Ayan. So, yan, kakain sila dyan sa lamesang upuan. So, yan. Kakain na sila, guys. Wait lang. Magpipray lang sila. Hello. Hello, my love. Hello, my love. Ano, did you miss Papa so much, my love? Mamaya na tayo, kuya. Mag-eat ka muna dyan. So, ayan si baby. Alpha. So, ayaw niya magpababa. Gusto niya lang magpakarga. Gusto niya lang magpakarga. So, ako naman, sana magluluto na ng aking kamote. Yun lang yung kakainin ko this evening. Kasi medyo kailangan na nating magbawas-bawas ng calorie intake. So, nasa tayo, kailangan nating mag-calorie deficit. So, kala mo talaga, pag ako hindi pumayat nito, ewan ko na lang. So, ayan. Kasi hindi, joke lang. Kasi kumain kami kanina sa office sa, sa Yellow Cab. So, ang dami kong nakain. Siyempre, libre yon. Kaya kumain ako ng marami, di ba? So, so, yan sila baby. Ayaw magpababa. At si Kuya Agape there. And Mama eating their dinner. So, ako magkakamote lang ako. So, parang naboboring ako. Gusto kong manood ng One Piece. I wanna watch One Piece, Kuya.
Okay.
Yes, can I watch One Piece, Kuya?
Yes.
Can I really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Kuya, for your approval.
You was one piece.
Yes, I wanna watch One Piece.
Okay, Mama, Papa, was one piece of Papa.
Pakibuksan daw yung TV, ma. Sa madaling salita, yun ang inuutos sa ni Kuya Agape. So, ayan. Sorry na sa istorbo, mahal. Please. Yan. O, diba? Kailangan silipin dun sa pinakakaloob-looban. Thank you, Kuya, for letting Mama know that I wanna watch One Piece. And, yun, sa pag-utos mo kay Mama mo, maraming salamat. Thank you for the support. Ang baby kong si Kulo. Kulot ikaw, nak-nak. Nak-nak. Kulot. Kulot si nak-nak. Tignan mo talaga, gusto niya yung nakikita niya yung sarili niya sa screen. O, ano, gusto mo rin, no? Ano ka, magbablog ka ba? Ano, talagang tumitingin siya, oh. Ayan, oh. Talagang tumitingin ng bata. Oh, loko, ang bebe. Ano?
Okay.
Gusto mo nakikita ka sa camera, oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng baby ko, ah. Kasi naman si Kuya Agape ko, oh. Ang pogi ng gupit, oh. Ang pogi mo yan, Kuya, sa bagong mong hairstyle. No, you're so pogi. Oh, ayan, ang pogi ng gupit, oh.
Look at this.
Ay, what's that?
It makes the camera.
I don't know what's that. So, nood tayo ulit ng One Piece, guys. Ayan, oh. I don't know what's that.
It's the camera.
Bilis na, eat na daw. What are you eating, my love? What are you eating? Tofu? Okay. Naantok na pala talaga, kaya pala siya hindi mapakali dun sa pagkakakarga ko sa kanya kanina. So, binago ko yung pagkakakarga ko sa kanya para makatulog siya. So, ayan. Ilang minuto lang, tulog na agad yan. Pagod na pagod siguro sa buong maghapon ng bata. Sarap ng tulog. Talagang pagbata, no? Kapag natutulog, talagang ang bait-bait. Nakakapanggigil, oh. So, ayan guys, nakapag-wash na ako ng aking katawan at ready na kaming matulog. So, sila mama at si Kuya Agape, nagwa-wash pa ng kanilang katawan. So, pinawash ni mama si Kuya Agape doon. And, itong si Baby Cloud, ayan, hindi naman yung buhok mo. Talagang kulot ikaw. Talaga naman kulot. No? Kulot talaga yung baby na yan. Kulot-kulutan talaga ang datingan, no? So, ayan si Baby Cloud. Munang nagbabantay. Ayaw niyang humiga nagagalit umiiyak. No? Tingnan mo naman ang kulit Ang ganda naman ng baby namin. Ang ganda-ganda naman ng baby. Tignan mo naman siya nakakadapa na siya talaga Kayang-kaya na ng baby namin yan. Kayang-kaya na. Hala, kayang-kaya na ng baby. Dapang-dapa na ang baby namin, So, ayan guys. Alas 10 na ng gabi. So, prepare na kaming matulog. And hopefully, itong si baby at saka si Kuya Agape makatulog na agad para makatulog na din kami. Kasi hindi naman kami po pwedeng hindi matulog nang hindi pa natutulog yung isa sa mga anak namin. Or para silang gising. Especially si Kuya Agape kasi makulit yan. So magalaw yan, ang dami na niyang kinakalikot. So yun ang problema. So kailangan tulog kami, gising kami pag hindi pa natutulog silang dalawa. So ayan sila. Ayan, tinatawag na ako ng isa ayan hi. So ayan si Kuya Agape tapos na magwash. And this is our Baby Cloud na kumukulot-kulot talaga ang buhok. Ay, walang damit, walang short.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. What's happened to my hair?
What happened to my hair?
Hello.
What happened ba sa hair mo? Did you cut your hair short?
No.
What? Do you think you're pogi or not? I don't know. Mabilis lang, short ka na daw. Kita papwet mo. Sando pala, sando yan. So, ayan si Kulots-Kulotski. Tignan mo naman ang kulot mahal,
Yung pala, ganda yun.
Lapi.
Maganda naman kasi talaga yung baby ko.
It's sugat.
Sugat na naman, okay. Wag na yan, wag nang pakita yung pet mo. Hindi natin pwedeng pakita.
Kamot ka kasi ng kamot
Kamot ka ng kamot Lalagyan kita ng mittens Hi! Hindi mo nakatingin ka kay kuya. Bakit nakatingin kay kuya? Ayan na si baby. Ayan na si kuya. So, ayan lang guys. So, naantok na ako. And si Baby Cloud, parang hindi naman inaantok yan. At hindi rin mukhang inaantok yung isa ritong makulit pa. Yun lang guys. So, mamaya matutulog na kami. Patulugin lang namin itong mga bata. And good night na sa inyo. Bye-bye. What happened? Ew, dirty.
Those are duty.
Dirty, bye-bye.
Bye.
Tapos yan pala guys, meron silang ito yung book ni Agape for free schooling niya. So ito yung mga activities. So dito, sabi dito kasi I keep myself clean and healthy. So ayan, naligo, nagwash ng hands, and nagbrush ng teeth, and then nagwash ng face. Yan, nagawa na ni Kuya Agape ngayon yan. No? So ngayon, So, ngayon dito, Kuya Agape, it says here, it says here, I always eat healthy food. So, what's your favorite healthy food? Do you eat healthy? Do you
Yes.
eat healthy food?
Yes.
What's your favorite? What's healthy food ba?
Maybe is vegetables.
Vegetables. Very good. What's your favorite vegetable? Huh?
Pie.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Vegetables. Lettuce.
Halatang hindi nakain ng vegetable.
Broccoli.
Ha? Broccoli? Di nga tayo nakakabili ng broccoli. Di nga tayo nakakabili ng broccoli. Favorite mo pa, ha?
Sa
What? Don't put your, ha?
food
What kind of food?
is orange.
Orange is a fruit.
Uh,
Vegetables like carrots.
yes.
You like carrots?
Yes.
Where did we put carrots?
In the sopas.
In the sopas. Very good. We put carrots in the sopas. And Kuya Agape can eat carrots in sopas.
Yes.
Diba? Okay, so Baby Cloud, you behave. Ay, naku, ay. And then what is the other healthy food pa, Kuya?
Is
Fruits is healthy, right?
yes.
What's your favorite fruits?
Watermelon.
Watermelon and
Mm,
we don't usually buy watermelon, diba?
wow.
Very often.
We done eating the watermelon.
When? When did we eat watermelon? Parang I cannot remember any time from this past few months that we bought watermelon, Kuya.
I healthy. I this. I healthy. Healthy. Sweet.
What other fruits do you, what other fruits is your favorite? Bilis na, ay.
I love
What? What do you love?
salad.
Salad! Dami na na. What kind of fruits? Like apples, banana, orange.
I want banana and apple.
Yeah, that's the usual fruits we always buy. And then last time you requested to me to buy some orange, right?
Yes.
Oh.
And it's a green apple.
Green apple. We don't usually buy green apple
What?
because it's sour. And I know you will not gonna like green apples.
Is
So yun guys, kung ano-anong sinasagot. Broccoli. Di nga kami nakakabili ng broccoli.
this
Na
one.
mabilhan dito eh. Okay, so what's that? Oh, so next is, can you show your book here?
Yes.
What's the next, Wow.
I want. Are you going to sleep?
Ah, you go to sleep, okay. So you're going to go to sleep now.
Are you going to sleep?
Oh, si Baby Cloud, patulugin ko na si Baby Cloud.
This one. This
Yes.
one.
Ay, nagagalit.
This one, Papa.
What is that?
It's like this one.
What is that? Oh, dumbbells. Oy, bakit?
Look at this. It's a exercise. You doing exercise. It's like you.
Yes, I'm done exercising.
I go exercise. Papa,
Nagagalit si Liit.
and what's next?
Nagagalit si Aling Maliit.
More exercise. Let's do two exercise.
Bakit?
Papa.
Yes, kuya.
Wait to more exercise.
Oh, yes.
Papa, I go wash the dishes.
Para namang marunong ka mag-wash na. Ay, bakit?
Mama wash
na.
the dishes.
Okay, yes.
Papa, this one.
What's that? Naglalaro sa ulan? What's that ba?
Oh. I
Oh,
go
sleep na.
to
Sleep na. Ay, gusto na ng dede.
Papa,
Okay, what's that?
I don't with it.
Mamaya na tayo mag-usap, kuya. Ay, 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 ay.
Papa,
Huwag na nagagalit. Wait lang nga si mama.
is oh that is so fair. That is for you.
Yes.
This one. What's that?
Nail cutter.
Nail curtain. What's that?
Cotton buds? I don't know. Is that cotton buds?
Yes.
No, wag na. Don't show it na.
This one.
Yeah. That's cotton buds.
Cotton.
Like Q-tips.
The ears.
Yeah.
Soup.
Well,
Yes.
it was used to...
With my pencil.
Yan na. Nakantok na siya talaga. Sleep ka na.
Papa, this
Mhm.
one.
That's, I guess that's soap or alcohol. I don't know.
That's water.
Don't cry na. Don't cry.
Oh, it's like this one.
Yeah, that's alcohol.
Oh, this one.
That's also... Quiet. Kuya. The baby's trying to sleep. You tell them to be quiet.